everyone, I'm Kim and we're from Creative Spaces. So this is a one-bedroom unit we designed for a young couple.
Hi, my name is Mendel and this is my wife Anna.
Hi!
A few years ago, my mom told me there are some really nice looking apartments in Bonifacio Global City and she told me to look into it. So I did, and a few years later, here we are, and we're enjoying this lovely unit that we have. Looking forward to making more memories there.
Yeah, and I think although I've been based in Sydney, we still wanted to have a place that we can call home for our future family back home in the Philippines. While we're not there, of course, it's also a potential investment property for us.
Upon entering the unit, we added this shoe cabinet and this decorative calendar that also functions as a key holder. So for this dining area, we purchased this large table that could sit about 6 to 7 people. And what's different here is that we purchased this cushion bench instead of getting yung traditional chairs. Nagkadating yung unit at the same time, lumuwag yung area. Then we purchased this pastel pendant light and chose light and neutral colors that goes well with the Scandi motif. So even if we wanted this minimalist feel, we still wanted like an accent area so that it wouldn't look so dull. We purchased this ladder so that the tenants could hang their items in. At the same time, we bought a flat basket to give color to the unit. And I really love this mirror, the round mirror that we bought, because it gave shape to our really straight lines. Straight and thin lines. So for the sala, we wanted to keep it simple also, but we found this really cool sofa that also functions as a sofa bed and a storage space. And then we added a simple coffee table. And for more storage space, we bought this entertainment cabinet and this shelf. We are here in the bedroom. Since Scandinavian design is all about minimalism, functionality, and clean lines, we chose pieces that are very useful. Like we added storage here and there. Then we added shelving units also for additional storage. Then we added touches of light wood, like this bed, and added green to the palette, like this duvet cover and the frames above the bed. Then we added a black out fabric for curtains to complete the whole look.
With Creative Spaces was surprisingly very easy. Even when we were not there physically, it was very easy to liaise with them, very easy to come up to an agreement with the design, with the furniture that we've chosen, and even with the alternatives. It was just very easy. Surprisingly, one day we were just back in Manila to look at the apartment and everything was just set. It was so easy and not even stressful at all.
Yeah, they listen to what we wanted, and whenever we give some feedback, they come back right away with some alternatives that fit our needs and budget. So I think that's the most important thing. Hi, this is Mendel.
Hi, this is Anna.
We highly recommend working with Creative Spaces.
Hi guys, we're Creative Spaces and
Please like and subscribe